In the heart of the Amazon rainforest, a world of incredible biodiversity thrives, but lurking within its depths are dangers that pose significant risks to human life. This vast ecosystem, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is home to countless species, yet it is also a place where human activities can lead to perilous consequences. First, the Amazon rainforest is notorious for its wildlife, which, while fascinating, can also be dangerous. Encounters with venomous snakes, such as the fer-de-lance or bushmaster, can result in life-threatening bites. These snakes are often well camouflaged, making them difficult to spot until it's too late. Additionally, the Amazon is home to jaguars, which are apex predators. While they typically avoid humans, encounters can be fatal if a person inadvertently wanders into their territory. Insects also pose a significant threat in the Amazon. Mosquitoes are notorious carriers of diseases like malaria and dengue fever. The humid environment allows these insects to thrive, increasing the risk of transmission. Furthermore, the presence of other insects, such as bullet ants, can lead to excruciating pain and allergic reactions, making even a simple hike through the forest potentially dangerous. Another danger arises from the environmental conditions of the Amazon. The dense foliage and complex terrain can make navigation challenging. Getting lost in the rainforest can lead to dehydration, starvation, or exposure to the elements. The heat and humidity can quickly drain energy levels, and without proper supplies, survival becomes increasingly difficult. Human-induced threats also contribute to the dangers in the Amazon. Deforestation, primarily driven by agriculture and logging, disrupts the natural habitat and forces wildlife into closer contact with human populations. This can lead to increased encounters with dangerous animals as they search for food and shelter. Moreover, the loss of biodiversity can destabilize ecosystems, resulting in unforeseen consequences that may endanger human health. Illegal mining operations in the Amazon introduce additional hazards. These activities often involve the use of toxic chemicals, such as mercury, which can contaminate water sources and harm both wildlife and humans. Communities near these mining sites face serious health risks, including exposure to heavy metals and other pollutants that can lead to long-term health issues. The Amazon rainforest is also susceptible to wildfires, often exacerbated by human activities. Fires can spread rapidly, fueled by dry conditions and deforestation. These fires not only threaten wildlife but also pose a direct risk to human life. Smoke inhalation can lead to respiratory issues, and escaping a rapidly spreading fire can be nearly impossible in the dense underbrush. Cultural interactions with indigenous communities in the Amazon can present unique challenges. These communities often have a deep understanding of the forest and its dangers, but outsiders may not be aware of local customs and practices. Misunderstandings can lead to conflict or unintended harm. Respecting the knowledge and traditions of indigenous peoples is crucial for safe interactions in this complex environment. Traveling in the Amazon also requires careful consideration of health risks. Access to medical facilities is limited, and injuries or illnesses can quickly escalate without proper care. Vaccinations for diseases like yellow fever are essential for anyone planning to visit the region. Additionally, travelers should be aware of the potential for food and waterborne illnesses, which can be prevalent in remote areas. The dangers in the Amazon rainforest extend beyond physical threats. The psychological impact of navigating such a vast and unfamiliar environment can be overwhelming. Feelings of isolation and fear can arise, particularly for those unaccustomed to the wilderness. Building mental resilience and preparedness is just as important as physical safety measures. In conclusion, while the Amazon rainforest is a remarkable and vital ecosystem, it is not without its dangers for humans. From venomous wildlife and disease-carrying insects to environmental hazards and human-induced threats, the risks are numerous. Understanding these dangers is essential for anyone venturing into this extraordinary landscape. Awareness, respect for local communities, and preparation can help mitigate these risks, allowing for a safer experience in one of the world's most captivating environments. The Amazon holds immense beauty and mystery, but it demands caution and respect from those who seek to explore its depths.